Get some fresh produce this week, friends. We're gonna make a cucumber gimlet. From Durham, North Carolina, you're watching Cocktails Under Quarantine. My name is Suzanne. I started to think, what should we make this week, Suzanne? And I realized that we've done a rum drink, we've done a bourbon drink, we've done a gin drink, but we hadn't made any vodka drinks. And so this week we're gonna fix that. Cucumber Gimlet is really easy to make, super refreshing, great as it's getting hot outside, and it uses vodka. Okay, so let's get started. We can take our shaker, take the top off, and we're gonna use crushed ice. So let's add about, oh, that's spilling some, that's okay. Add a little bit, like an inch or so of crushed ice, okay? And then we're gonna take our friend the muddler. If you don't have a muddler in your bar arsenal, you should totally get one because they're really helpful. We're gonna take some fresh basil and we're gonna add 8-10 fresh basil leaves to our shaker. Okay, so we got our basil in here, and then we're gonna add some fresh cucumber. So take about, 2 inches or so of cucumber, and then just give it a nice rough chop. Okay? And because cucumber and basil, they just go so well together, and it smells, I'm cutting it and I'm already starting to smell it. Wish that this video had smell-o-vision, but it doesn't. So you're just gonna have to take my word for it. Okay, so we're gonna add all of that cucumber in there. We're gonna give it a nice muddle for about 15 seconds. All right, just break it down. Okay, yeah, kind of get that flavor released. Okay. All right, so now that we've done that, we're gonna add our liquids. Put this over here. Okay, so I'm using Sobieski vodka. It's kind of a basic vodka. It's, if you want to use Grey Goose, that's fine. I don't think you don't want to use bottom shelf stuff, but I don't think you need to use super fancy vodka when you're going to be mixing it. So I think Sobieski is totally fine to use. All right, so 2 ounces of vodka into our tin. All right. And then we're gonna add a 1/2 ounce of fresh citrus juice. So the recipe actually, this is from the 12 Bottle Bar again. Great cocktail recipe book for beginners. 1/2 ounce. The recipe does call for lime juice, but I didn't have lime juice, so I used lemon juice. I think that's totally fine. And then I'm gonna add a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. So you folks at home might be thinking to yourself, why is your simple syrup brown, Suzanne? And that's because I like to make things easy for myself. And the way I made this simple syrup was, it's just agave nectar, and it's just diluted 1 part agave nectar to 1 part water, and you just add it to a container and shake it up really well. And that's super easy, and you don't even have to turn on your stove. So I really dig that life hack. So, okay, so you add 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. If you like your drinks a little sweeter, you could use up to 3/4 ounce. And then we're gonna, let's add a little more ice so everything gets nice and cold. A little more ice. It's tin's about halfway full, I would say at this point. There we go. Perfect. All right, give it a nice shake for about 15 seconds. Okay. All right. Just set this stuff over here. And we're gonna use a martini glass. And martini glasses always make you feel fancy and festive. It's got this beautiful green summery color. Love that. Just get all that goodness out. My shaker is pouring super slowly today. Okay, that's everything. Perfect. Okay. And we're gonna garnish it. Let's garnish it be nice and simple and garnish it with a basil leaf. Just kind of float one in there to make it pretty. So there you have it, folks, the cucumber gimlet. So let's have a sip and see what it tastes like. Oh, I love that. It is not too sweet. It's really balanced. It's got the sour in there, and you can definitely, it's subtle, but you can definitely taste the cucumber and basil notes in there. And in North Carolina, as everyone knows, we're getting into the middle of May. It's starting to get hot and humid and gross out. This is a perfect thing to drink when you're outside in your backyard, enjoying the weather, something to cool you off and just enjoy the weather. So that's it for this week, everybody. Stay safe and enjoy your favorite adult beverage. David, this is good. You should have some.